Good evening. So we are going to see the moment of inertia of that 6 problems, which I already uploaded video where we have that 6 problems. So now we will go one by one. So we have first, this is T section, 100, 15, 80, 15. And then we will first find Y bar. So we have Y bar that is equal to 100 into 15 area, and we know y1 we have to measure from center of this to top, and we have this value that is 7.5 plus, then we have second one, this 80 into 15, so we have plus 80 into 15 into, from center of this we have this as 40, and we have to measure distance from top. So 40 plus this 15. So we are going to get this as 40 plus 15, that is 55. Divided by 100 into 15 plus 80 into 15. And we have this value that is equal to 28.61 millimeters. So we have Y bar 28.61 millimeter. Tomorrow we will discuss in the class. Then we have I. So we have formula B D cube by 12 plus A into H square. And then we will start with first part. So we have 115. So we have 100 into 15 cube by 12 plus A into H square, area we have 100 into 15 into. Now I already told you how to find actually this value. Again, I will explain over here. So we have this as 28.61. So I will mark from top 28.61. So we have this as 28.61. And now we have distance between centroid of this individual area and this one. So we have this distance 7.5. So we will get this distance 28.61 minus 7.5. And then we will put value of H. H we already mentioned. It is distance between the centroid of individual area to the centroid of whole section. And then into 28.61 minus 7.5 whole square plus. Now we have another second part which will be this. B we have 15. B is always horizontal distance. D is we have vertical distance. 15 into 80 cube by 12 plus we have 15 into 80. This will be area. And now H, we have this individual, we have from top, we have measured this as 55. So we have written over here 55. And then we have distance between these two. So now this is 28.61, this is 55. So this distance becomes 55 minus 28.61. So we have 55 minus 28.61 whole square. And from this we will get values. I will just check it. So we have 2.17 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter to the power 4. So moment of inertia of this is 2.17 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter to the power 4. So this is first problem. Now we have second problem. This section we have, and we are interested to find I. So first we have to go Y bar because it is not symmetrical with horizontal. or any axis if we will consider at center. So now we will consider three parts. So this is first part. So in first we have two parts. So this one. So these two are same. So y bar we have B is 20 and D we have 150 plus 20 plus 40, this total. And this will be 210. So BD, so B into D we have, so 20 into 210, and from top we have half of this 105. So from center of this, so we have its own centroidal axis 105. So we have to consider it twice. Plus, then we have second this 120 portion. So I will mark it with another color. So we have this one. 120 and 20. So we have plus. I will write with the same color so you will understand it. So we have 120 into 20, and from top its centroid is at 10. So I will draw its centroid by the same color. So we have 10. And then third, we will consider with another color again. And then we have this portion. So again, we have this is twice. Now we have this as 300. And this is 120. So this we have 120. This is 20. This is 20. So this will be 160. So 300 minus 160, we have 140. So we will get this at 70. And we will have this at 70. And then we have plus 2 times 40 into 70 into, now it distance from top. So this distance. So we have total distance 210 and this distance we have 20. So we have this distance 210 minus 20 and that is 190. So into 190. And then we have divided by area of all this. Now I will use same ink for all areas. So divided by 20 into 210, 2 times plus 120 into 20 plus we have 2 times 40 into 70. And I got this value of y bar, and that is equal to 120.12 millimeter, and that is from top. I always find values from top. And here, what value I will get from bottom? So I will write here, last I forgot actually. So y bar bottom I have, total we have 210 minus 120.12, and we will get this value 210 minus 120.12. I have actually not calculated this, minus 120.12, 89.88 millimeters. So those who have calculated from bottom, they can check it. And now we will go for I value. So we have I. Again, we have same formula, BD cube by 12 plus A into H square. try to understand this. So first we have 2 times. Now B we have 20. D we have 210 cube by 12 plus A into H square. So we have 20 into 210 and H. We have distance between the centroid of whole section to the centroid of individual section. I will mark of whole section and we have 120. So somewhere here. So we have this as 120.12. Now we have distance between these two. Sorry, this is second one. First we have between these two. And this distance we have 120.12 minus 105. So we have this value. So I will write with this color only 120.12 minus 105 whole square. This is for first. Now we will go to the second. So in second we have this value plus. Now this portion, a red portion. So we have BD cube by 12. So B we have 120. D we have 20 cube by 12 plus A into H square. So A we have 120 into 20 and H I have already mentioned this distance. So we have 120.12 minus 10. So we have this as 120.12 minus 10 whole square. This is second. And then we have plus 2 times third part. BD cube by 12. B is 70. D cube 40 cube by 12 plus A into H square 70 into 40 into. Now you can see what is distance from top. So we have seen this is 210. And now we have to find distance between these two again. And this will be 190 minus 120.12. And then we have 190 minus 120. This is 190 minus 120.12 whole square. And then we will get this value. Now I have calculated value separately also. So I will write separately so that you can have this easy. So I got first value. So this is 2 times in bracket 15.435 into 10 raised to 6 plus 0.96 into 10 raised to 6 plus 80 into 10 raised to 3 plus 29.10 into 10 raised to 6 plus 2 times we have 373.33 into 10 raised to 3 plus 13.67 into 10 raised to 6. And then if we will calculate this total, then I have value of I that is equal to 90.06 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter to the power 4. So just check it. Actually, I have calculated it twice. So just check it. If correction, we will discuss tomorrow. So now we will stop with this first video where we have solved these 2 problems. And next, we will go 2 problems in next video. And after that, third video, we are with 2 problems. Now we will stop here only. Thank you.